Michaela, if you didn't know already, and this is Michaela's Main. I previously recorded a video for this. I previously recorded an intro, and it sucked. I was really awkward, and I wasn't looking at the camera, and it just looked bad, so I'm just on here saying, this video, if you haven't noticed from the title, is going to be me cutting my hair. This is kind of like a preview, so continue watching to get the whole scoop. I just had to re-record this little intro because the last one was trash. So I'm back and let's get into the video. Okay, so hey everyone. I just wanted to put this out there because I didn't say it in the intro, but this is not a tutorial. I'm not a professional. This is just me recording myself attempting to give myself a haircut. So yeah, just continue watching and enjoy. This side, I'm gonna take some of this. I have this. I'm gonna put this on nice and coated. Ooh, shine. It's too much. It's too much. People help. So, let me just show you why the universe won't let me be great. While I'm in the middle of blow drying my hair, this thing just breaks. Like, what? But it still works if I plug it in. I just don't know what setting it's on. So, get heat damage, then I get heat damage. I'm over it, so. This is what we're looking like. Oh, I should get a thumbnail. We're looking like, and I think I just kind of wanna. I'm gonna just do a 360. It's not as. See, my ends are so bad. Look at my ends. They're so bad. I need to do this.
I'm starting to get nervous, like when I was blow drying my hair, but after blow drying it and just seeing the absolute, it's too much. So I'm about to part it. Never actually use my phone to do my. Well, actually, that's a lie I have. It's not even straight. No, it's not straight. I feel like straight parts are a myth. Only one night only, that's all I have to spare. One night only, let's not pretend to care.
I haven't had any coffee or anything. I'm really hyper, but I guess I'm excited. I'm excited to do this again.
More sections, and try to get it as straight as possible. Will not. So I'm gonna comb this out a little more. Try to get it as tight as possible, as taut as possible. I'm gonna brush it down in my head. So that's what we're gonna go for. Let me back up some. I'm not afraid to do this one, but you see what I'm going for? No, please don't judge me. Please do don't judge me because of the time anyway. See, I want it like shoulder length hair, so I'm trying to cut it to here, y'all. Like, I'm really trying to go much shorter than what my hair is right now. I honestly don't think my hair's ever been this short. I've never had stress. My hair's really not blown out to its full, like, straight capacity. But my hair is, it's about boob, it's like under the boob kind of length. You can see. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, let's see. The front, okay, we're gonna do the front last, so.
New, fresh hair shears. And now we're just gonna cut. Oh, shit. She got it all.
Oh, see, that looks fresh. Look at that, that looks fresh.
Why am I saying that? Like, who is she? You let me know. I'm cutting some more. I'm cutting some off. So.
So if you're a professional out there, I know you're probably cringing at me cutting my hair, but don't really care. I'm going shorter. More hair. Oh, see now. And now I think this is it. I think this is what I wanted. You're probably asking me, Ella, why didn't you just go get your hair cut at a salon? I'll give y'all the answer. It's because that costs money that I don't have. So, more hair, gone. Well, let's figure out. Let's see what we're working with.
Ooh, is it uneven? It actually looks pretty even. It actually looks pretty even.
Is it even? It's just because this side is much thicker. It's not super even. I'm just going to get my mom to even it up for me. But yeah. I don't say this is too bad. Alright, let's continue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there is a little bit of unevenness, but we're gonna straighten her out. You know, we're gonna get her together.
Can try. So I'm about to take a picture so we can have like a side by side, you know, for the thumbnail purposes.
She's cute. She's fluffy. Oh my gosh. So yeah, So yeah, we have some straightening out to do. Yes, we do. It's not the most perfect cut. Don't roast me. But yeah, I'm already in love with it. Like, I'm not even joking. I already love it. Like, my hair feels lighter. It doesn't feel weighed down anymore.
I'm loving this. I might cut it a little shorter. You know, I don't know. But I'm really feeling this. Like, I I want to wear it out and fluffy for a little bit, you know? And I'm really excited because my curls are about to be popping. So if you want to see the wet version of this, the wash and go version of this, subscribe to my channel. Like if you like this video. Comment whatever you want, just don't drag me. That's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on the interwebs. Follow me on my socials, on my IG, xomikaylaross. I'll have it all linked down below or on the screen somewhere. And all of that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.